The dreaded down payment. So many potential buyers are roadblocked each time they want to buy a house because the down payment seems so intimidating. Saving that money seems impossible, but with some practical tips and some dedication, you can do it. My name is Gary Gurwal from Cornerstone Home Lending. Let's discover some of the super practical ways that you can start saving for your down payment. Create a budget. A foundation of healthy saving plan is a budget. I know budgets are not one of the most exciting things in the world, but budgets can help you get crystal clear on what your expenses are. You might not even realize how much you're spending on takeouts each month, but budget will help you reveal that. That leads me to the next point. Cut out eating out. The fastest way you can make your money disappear, spend it on takeouts. I know it seems harmless, $10 here or there, but it adds up fast. Did you know an average American spends about $3,000 on takeouts? That is a big chunk. Start making meals at home and dedicate your money that you were spending at restaurants towards your savings account. Use resources that can help you accountable. Nowadays, there are so many apps and websites that can help you stay on track. One of my favorite apps is Acorn. Acorn rounds up your each expense to the nearest dollar. With literally no effort at all, you have started saving little at a time. Try the envelope method. The envelope method is great for people who, even with budget, they're struggling to keep up. Envelope method works like this. You have each envelope for each spending area of your life. Gas, clothes, groceries, and more. You put a lot of cash in them and only use what's in those envelopes. Once the envelope is empty, you cannot spend more because you have already used the cash. It forces you to realize how much money you have actually came out of your pocket. A lot of people use this method. It's a great tool. I totally understand. The saving up for a down payment is a daunting task, but I hope these tips help you realize it's not impossible. If you're curious how close you are to your down payment goal, please reach out. I would love to help create a game plan. You can comment below or shoot a message to get started. Make sure you like and share this video, and see you next time. Bye.